Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you how to draw one of the coolest bad guys from the Transformer Beast Wars series, and that is the Megatron as the T-Rex, or just in his regular Transformers style. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoyed this video today. Now to start off with our Beast Wars Megatron, we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here and we're going to make the head. We'll begin by making a little line that's going to come down on each side. Then we're going to make a little line that goes down and then up. Starting here, we're going to make a little diagonal line on each side of that little diamond that we made. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, it's going to go over, and then come down. Starting here, we're going to make lines going to go up, it's going to go higher, and then over. So we're going to come up at a diagonal, it's going to go up and then over. Then we'll make lines going to go down, over, and then up. Starting here, we're going to make lines going to go down and then up. And another one here, it's going to go down and then up to make the eyes. Starting here, we'll make lines that's going to come down on each side. Then we're just going to come down, over, and up. Then we'll do the same thing. We'll go down, over, and up for the sides of the face. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve down on each side. Then we're going to make a little rectangle shape right here. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that looks like a smile. Then we're going to draw a line that comes down on each side, and a line that's going to go up and down. We'll make a line that comes across. Then we'll add a couple little lines in here for some teeth. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, over, and up, and another one here, down, over, and up. Then we'll just connect these lines right here. Then right here, we'll make a line that's going to go over, down, and in. We're going to go over, down, and then in. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and up. Then right here, we're going to make a nice big smiley face shape. Right across here, I'm just going to put some little pointy lines. These are going to be like the teeth of his kind of like dinosaur face. Then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come to a point and then up. Next, we'll draw two little curved lines right here. And then we're going to draw two lines that are going to come down. And then we'll connect them over. Next, we're going to take this line, it's going to go down and over. And this one here, it's going to go down and then over. I'm going to draw a line here that's going to curve down to here. And another one here, it's going to go out, and it's just going to curve down to kind of form the chest. Right here, we're going to make lines going to go over and down, and then one here, it's going to go over and then down. Starting here, we're going to make lines going to go down, over, and up. We'll make a line that comes down and over. And one here, it's going to go down and over. Next, we're going to add two little lines on each side. Now, right in here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and up, kind of like a point. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go down, over, and up. We'll make a line that comes out on each side.
Next, we're going to go down and then connect it to here. Go down and then connect it to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up like an oval. And another one here. It's going to go down and it's going to come up. And I made this one kind of come out a little more. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve. And we're going to make another one that's going to curve here. I'm going to come down, up, and then we're going to curve like this. Then this one we're going to curve down here, and then come up. Draw a line that's going to go down, over, and up, and another one down, over, and up. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down and over like a claw. Draw another one that's going to go down and come over. And one more, it's going to go down, over, and then we're going to bring it up here. We'll draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over, and it's going to come up into a claw. This one's going to come over and up, and then connect to here. This one, we're just going to curve a line down, and then I'm going to curve a line down here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go in and down and up, and the one here, it's going to go down and up. Then I'm going to put two oval shapes on here, and two oval shapes over here, just to kind of add a little detail. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come down. And one over here, we're going to go up, and then we'll just come down. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to curve up. And then I'm going to draw the kind of T-Rex head. So I'll start here by drawing a line that's going to go out. It's going to curve around and come up to here, kind of like a little sideways oval. And then I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to start the T-Rex face down here. So to do this, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down and up to form the eyebrow. Then we'll draw a little circle shape right here for the eye. We'll make a line that's going to come up and then down. We'll draw a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come down here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come up and then down here. Then we're going to curve this line. It's going to come down, it's going to go up and then down here. Draw a little line that's going to curve around here for the nose. We'll draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve up and then in. This line will come down, and then we'll go over and then in. Next, I'm going to bring this line to here, and I'm going to bring this line right to here. I'm going to draw a little curved line here. Then I'm going to add some pointy teeth on the top and on the bottom of the mouth. Now, over here, we're going to draw the other arm. So I'm going to start here. I'm just going to draw half of an oval shape. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And we'll make it come a little bit farther. Then I'm going to bring this line up here at an angle. And I'm going to curve it to here. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and over. Then we want to make the hand. To do this, we'll draw a line that's going to go down and then in with a little curve. Then we'll come down, we'll go in, and then up. Another one right here. This is going to be kind of like the tail of the T-Rex over here.
Now, here's our basic shape of our Beast Wars Megatron. Now we just want to come in here and add some quick different details.
So I'm just going to add a little line that's going to go right around here. And I'll also add some little lines right around the eyes. Then I'm just going to add a couple little curve lines right around here. And we'll add another little oval shape or two right around here for some more detail. We'll add a little line that's going to go down and up on each side. And a little line that's going to go down and up here. We'll make another little line that's going to go up and in, and then over and down. Draw two little lines here. And I'm going to add a bunch of little lines that go back and forth on here. I'm going to add a little line that's going to go down, over and up, then over and up here. Then we'll add some little curved lines onto the toes with a couple little extra lines for some details. With a few extra lines on here. I'm going to add some extra lines on the eye of the T-Rex. And a couple little lines right around the nose. And a few little lines here. We'll add some broken lines right around the lips. And a few lines in here. Then I'm going to add a couple little broken lines down here. And some right there too for some details. And then you can just kind of add any extra little lines that you want to on here.
But there you go. There is your drawing of a T-Rex Megatron. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.